Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Windows couldn't connect to the printer. Operation could not be completed, error 0x0000011b. Let's go start and go to host PC. Press the Windows key and type in the Registry Editor and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Click Yes. Click hkey Local Machine. Then click on System. Then click on Current Control Set. Then click on Control. Scroll down. Then click on Print. On the right side, right-click on a blank space and go to DWORD, 32-bit, value under New. Type here RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. Right-click on RPC and go to Modify from the menu. Set the value 0, then click OK. Close the window. Press the Windows key. Search for Services and click the top result to open the console. We are select Standard. Scroll down, locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler. Select Restart from the context menu. Click Yes. Wait for the printer spooler service to restart. Close. Now restart your PC. And back to Client PC. Press Win+R to open Run and type the host PC IP address or name. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.